In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload documents to BambooHR. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up BambooHR on your favorite browser like you usually would. Then from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the files section over here in the left hand menu. And once you get over here, you'll be able to see this page right here. Now from here, you'll be able to click up in the right hand corner, upload file. You can also create a folder up here, but to upload a file, you simply need to click upload file. From here, you can choose the specific file or drop files here to upload, and you can afterwards choose a folder that these files need to be transferred over to. You can also share these files with all employees if you want to do that, or share these files with individual or groups. Once I'm here, you'll just simply need to click upload, and once it's done that, it'll be visible out here inside of this specific folder. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.